All right, if I were given this problem here, certainly, and again, if I were recommending something, I would say, oh, just expand it and see what happens. And what I mean by that, I'll write that down for you. And what I'm really expanding is the radicand. And looking at it, x times x is x squared. And then I would get minus quarter, which is minus 2/4, which is minus 1/2. And then I would get plus 1 over, let's see, 16x squared. And again, I'm just looking to see what I get over here. What do you get? X squared plus 1 over 16x squared. And then 1 minus half is plus 1/2. And then, I expanded it, but I want to get one term down. So I'm going to say 16x squared. And that's going to be 16x4 now. And then plus 1. And then I would get 8x squared. Let me keep moving. 16x squared. The top, it appears to be a perfect square. Let me make sure of that. 4x squared plus 1 quantity squared. Let me just check that out. That would give you 16x4, and you get 8x squared. Yeah, it worked out beautifully. All right, so what I just do over there, I said simplify the radicand, and I did that. Look at the root of it now. And it really doesn't look bad to do. And what would you get over there? You would get 4x squared plus 1, and on bottom you just get 4x. All right, now again, this absolute value problem, I'm not too worried about it, but I'm going to simplify this a little bit further. And that would give you, let's see, x plus, let's see, 1/4 x to the minus 1. All right, so this guy over here really kind of simplifies pretty nicely. Not worried about, certainly some conditions about absolute value. I'm not worried about that at this point. I haven't even looked at the domain of the problem. But this is going to be 1/4 x to the minus 1 dx. All right, a little scratch work inside. I'm going to get rid of it now. And let's do the integration, see what happens. What do you get there? X squared over 2 plus 1/4. Well, x to the minus 1 is 1 over x, so it's natural log then. Absolute value of x plus c. I'm put a little box in this. And let's see what happens. Do we get it? And let's take a look. I know they got the this here. And I got this over here. And I got the C. I do know they pulled it together too. And again, be aware that when taking a multiple exam, they're probably going to pull it together into one term. All right? Thank you.